Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy community since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the Katy market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Great one-story home on quiet street with mature oak trees. Large backyard, brick on 3 sides and vinyl siding on back. Den with gaslog fireplace. Breakfast bar, gas cooking and microwave and kitchen. Master suite has high-vaulted ceiling, double sinks, separate shower tub, and walk-in closet.